Hi there, Dave with CrandallOffice.com, and today we're going to be showing you how to assemble your Steelcase Series 1 chair that you purchased at CrandallOffice.com through the Steelcase Authorized returns program. Now we do ship our chair a little bit different than if you purchase directly from Steelcase. We do remove the seat, but the back is already installed, and so it's going to be a real quick and easy install, so let's get started. Your chair will ship with the following parts: the base, casters, gas cylinder, seat, and chair core. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is grab the base and turn it upside down and install the casters one at a time. These are just going to be friction fit. You're just going to pop them right into place. Next, we're going to take the base, flip it over, and install the gas cylinder with the large side down. It's just going to sit into place. Next, we're going to take the base of the chair. We're going to flip this upside down so that you can see the hole there. We're going to take the base with the cylinder inserted, and we're going to insert the gas cylinder in there. Now we're going to flip the chair over, make sure to apply some pressure between the chair and the base, make sure nothing falls out of place. So now everything's assembled from here, and next we're going to take the seat, we're going to slide it on. So you can see underneath side, you're going to have an opening on this side. We're going to simply slide the seat on so that those rails line up, and then pull the seat slider mechanism to make sure that that engages, and then make sure that that's working properly. So we'll just pull it, make sure everything's working properly. Seems to be. Next, we're going to have a seat in the chair. Make sure that the gas cylinder is operating properly. Seems to be. And so everything is good to go, and your chair is ready to use. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our website at CrandallOffice.com or on our Facebook page. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at CrandallOffice.com or on our Facebook page.